The tragedy of the condominium collapse in Surfside, Florida brought to light the importance of routine, regular maintenance and maintaining facilities. It could not be more clear to me the importance of a proactive and preventive maintenance plan to maintain life safety and prevent catastrophic disasters in one form or another. We are in a race against time. I'm Ron McDowell. I'm the association manager here at the Sanctuary Condominium Association, comprised of approximately 250 condominium units across a couple different buildings here at the oceanfront in Virginia Beach. In addition to the association manager, I am also an owner here at the Sanctuary Falls Cape. I live here full-time. About 6 years ago, we had 3 substantial storms, hurricane and tropical storms in a period of 4 weeks. So the facility lost power for a number of days, and the generators didn't provide the backup power. If you lose one of the generators, 75% of the units don't have backup power. That's how crucial these generators are to the life-saving ability to make sure refrigeration is working, medication's available. They're a critical aspect of life safety. And so there was some discussion as to why the generators weren't operating properly at that point in time. And it really boiled down to a lack of maintenance and a lack of preparation. In 2020, after the implementation of Limble, we put in place a new process for maintaining the generators. We put in place a process for maintaining the entire emergency power supply system and put in place a disaster preparation plan or hurricane preparation plan. And as a result, in 2020 with Hurricane Isaias, for the first time, we had all 4 generators fully operational during a power outage. That's a direct result of the preventive maintenance plans that we put in place, the hurricane preparation plans that we put in place to ensure that we have our life safety systems in place in the event of a disaster. My view is that it is imperative in the environment that we reside in that we act very aggressively and move at a pace much faster than the deterioration that we experience from our exposure to the environment. This is not a passive environment. We cannot be passive about our maintenance and our restoration. I'm very optimistic about the future of living here. I'm optimistic as the manager. I'm optimistic as an owner. And we have many new owners, relatively new owners, that have just purchased a condominium unit within the last year or two that are ecstatic. They see the work that's being done. They look forward to what is coming down the road, and they are just thrilled to live here and be part of this community.